Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso. We are going to do a test shot on a Rancilio Silvia. This espresso machine came in leaking at the group head. We changed the group head gasket as well as the screen, cleaning the group head. There it is. I'm going to tamp it a little tight with a nice shot coming around. Just going to go ahead and speed things along to show the steam capabilities. And here we are. Nice shot. Some crema. We'll remove some water from the boiler. Just a little steam. It's not ready, but it steams fast. There you go, nice shot. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.